Nikisha, and this is Nikisha's Life. If this is your first time joining the channel, welcome. I would love it if you stay by hitting that subscribe button and turning your post notifications on to be notified every time I upload. And if you're coming back, welcome back. I appreciate you walking with your girl. So today I am going to be doing a revert video from straight to curly. I've had my hair straightened for about a little bit over a month. So I'm a little nervous, just a little nervous because I've had it straightened for so long. So I'm going to do something I normally don't do. And I just recently found out that I have low porosity hair. So, I mean, I kind of knew, but like I really confirmed it by doing the test where you put the hair in water and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is going to pre-poo first. And I'm going to be using a few products to pre-poo my hair, and then I'm going to be washing it, and the products I'm going to be washing in my hair today is something new to me. I don't know if there's new in general, but they're new to me. It's the Palmer's Coconut Oil formula with vitamin E, the shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to be using that to wash my hair. And then to deep condition, once I wash my hair, is going to be the deep conditioner protein packet. So I'm going to be using that after I wash my hair. But to do my pre-poo, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Omega 369 Rescue Repair Hair Mask. And I just took like 3 big old spoonfuls of this and put it in a bowl with 1 scoop of raw shea butter. And this is the bowl, I just put it in here. And then the oil I'm going to be using is my grapeseed oil. I'm going to put that on after I put the conditioner on my hair. And then I'm going to be using a tangle teaser that I got from, what I get this from? I got this when I got my hair oil from a website. She's a YouTube here. I think it's, what's her name? I can't think of her name, but I'll put her information down below. But it's a little brush I got. Show you what it looks like. A little brush like this. So I'm going to be using that to comb through the product. And then also my spray bottle, and I put warm water in here. Oops, hitting stuff. I put warm water in there just to open up my cuticles a little bit and my hair a little bit, just so it can receive the deep conditioner. I'm going to let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out, a shampoo and conditioner. I'll take you with me when I wash my hair with this and show you what my hair looks like after I do it. So it's just in this top ponytail right now, honey. Listen, please. I have missed my curls. It was fun while it lasted. Straight hair was fun while it lasted. I mean, I'm pretty happy that it stayed this long. I think this is probably the longest I've kept my hair straightened in a while. So I'm pretty pleased that it stayed for so long. I just, at the end, just didn't care. I just didn't. It's kind of reverting back a little bit, too. I just didn't care. So it's time to go and do a style. So I'm going to go ahead and get it going, get it going, okay? So what I'm first do, and did I bring a comb in here? I did not bring a comb. Why did that? So I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections. But first, I'm going, dropping stuff, I'm going to comb out. So I'm going to section it into 2 sections first. Put this side away. And just take a comb and comb through my hair. I should have got a wide tooth comb, but I couldn't find it. So we're going to use this. I would never use this on curly hair like that by itself. And I got a little bit of gunk in my hair from the gel, and see all that gunk on my hands. So it's time to wash. I haven't washed my hair in a month. I need to wash and get the moisture back in my hair, because you know what? It's needing it. You know, when your hair is straight, I'm going to section into another section, you really can't put a lot of moisture in it without it reverting back to curly. So I know I need it bad. So I'm taking the steps to try to get it back into nourishing. Summer section is 2 sections right here. And I work on this section. Comb it out. Oops. I really think I'm gonna have my friend, my stylist that usually does my hair, that did my color in my hair. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that down below as well. She might come over and help me because I want to do a flat twist. But I can flat twist, but like small sections and stuff, I always get them caught in the other parts of my hair, and it never turns out the way I want to. So I might have her come over and help me with the top of my flat twist and then do a hairstyle later on today. So I just did it in 2 sections, 4 sections, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna work on the back section first. Some of this section. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I put all the deep conditioner in my hair. Hey guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after I deep conditioned it with the pre-poo. I used the Shea Moisture 369. Here. I used 3 scoops of that with some raw shea butter, and then I used some grapeseed oil by lot to put in my hair now. Just more moisture. And I'm gonna let this sit on my head for about 10 minutes. And shower cap on. So yeah, so I'm gonna let this wax is all messed up. All this product. So I'm gonna sit on my head for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back with I rinse it out, and then do the next step of washing and shampooing. And so you see what my hair looks like after all of that. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. I just kept it on a damp towel. Mirror back in here so you can see it's stable. So I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair. I didn't use the protein treatment because I feel like my hair didn't really need it. So this is what it's looking like straight out the shower. And again, I used the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Conditioning Shampoo for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. The conditioner, which is for the same dry and damaged color-treated hair, which my hair is color-treated. So I use these two. As you can see, it's a little straight. And this piece right here. So these two pieces I knew were heat damage from before. But that's it. I didn't have no heat damage other than that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and style, but that will be another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My stylist is about to come over and help me with the front part of my hair because I can flat twist, but the small sections of flat twisting sometimes it always gets discombobulated, and your girl just don't got time for that. So she's gonna part the front part of my hair, and I'm gonna do 2 strand ends in the back, and that'll be another video for another date. But yes, so this is what it's looking like. I'm about to go put some leave-in conditioner in it and just sit and wait until she comes here. And probably like within an hour or so. I appreciate you watching this video. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your post notification on so you know every time I upload. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day and Happy New Year. This is going to be the first video I will do in 2019. It's going to be great. I'm excited about it. I cannot wait for what the year is going to bring. My year started last year, but it's just a new beginning and a fresh start, and I'm so happy and thankful, and I just thank God for allowing me to be here and see the new year. And I hope you guys have all had a safe and wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. And I haven't said that, so I'm just gonna get off and rambling. Okay, bye guys.